Let's make a Linux Mint bootable USB. Hi guys, today in this video, I will show you how you can make a bootable Linux Mint USB. Before we dive into the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, do subscribe, and if you get the video useful, hit on the like button and share it to your friends. Okay, the first step is download Linux Mint ISO file. To do this, go to your browser. In search bar type, download Linux Mint. Choose the second link. Click download. Click layer and line. And your Linux Mint download will start automatically. I already downloaded the ISO file, but wait till the download is finished. The next step is download Rufus from Rufus official website. To do this in your browser search bar, type Rufus. Choose the first link. Choose the latest version of Rufus. The third step is make a Linux Mint bootable USB. And to do that, open Rufus. Now plug your USB. Select your ISO file. Choose your partition scheme GPT or MBR. To know your partition scheme, go to Windows, search and type, Create and Format. Choose the first one. On your main partition, open Properties. Choose Volume. Now make sure that your partition style and partition scheme are the same. Use the default format options. Don't change anything. Click Start. Choose Write in DD image mode because it is more suitable for Linux operating systems. Click OK. Now wait till the process is completed. Finally, I have a bootable Linux Mint bootable USB. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment me in the comment section.